Good news, now you don't have to go to Italy to get amazing good food in Reading. Meet my friend, Diego. So Diego, tell them what they've won.
So just come in and we have free pastry for you.
And what got you started in this business?
We wanted to give the same experience that you can find in Italy in Reading.
What's the difference? What did you crave and what did you miss and then what have you brought back?
Taste-wise, we try to keep it simpler so you can taste every ingredient. I love our sandwiches, I love our bread.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And what makes your bread so good?
So our bread has only flour, yeast, and water.
That's it?
Only 4 ingredients, and our sandwiches are prepared and grilled on a grill. It gets crunchy outside, and inside everything melts. So you have all the cheese melting with the other meat and the vegetables.
That sounds like heaven. Reading deserves good food from a baker who really cares.
That's me.